Leo, this is your channel messages for the 29th of May. Leo, your channel message is the 10 of Swords, the 6 of Cups, human and sex trafficking. So I'm getting something about somebody never believe you. I'm getting, yeah, Leo, either Leo trafficked you, or you told a Leo that you were getting trafficked and somebody thought that you were an over-compulsive liar who just wanted to find an escape because of the bad decisions you made. Me getting somebody owe you an apology, or me getting somebody have to let you go. Human and sex trafficking, whoever this pimp is, whoever this buyer or seller is, the 10 of Swords. Me getting the Leo going to get catch, him going to get charged. And me getting something about a huge apology owed to you. Maybe somebody thought you had a lot of money. Me getting one lady thief your money. And usually with human and sex trafficking, not the victims, the predators will create the narrative that the victims are sex workers. That's how them try to get away with it. Okay, so I'm getting somebody owe you a big apology, because I'm getting one layer told a huge lie on you. It could be law enforcement officers. I don't know if it's something about a very crooked police officer who was into the buying and selling of women, right? And the police officer tell the whole world, say I want sex worker. Oh, you know, she have prostitution charge. Me getting him is a dirty cop who is into the whole buying and selling of humans. So me getting either the police force owe you apology, or the Leo owe you apology, or me getting the Leo gonna finally get arrested for human and sex trafficking causes, whatever it is. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. First card out is a 10 of, yeah, me getting people they think you have money. So I don't know if somebody open OnlyFans. I don't know if somebody, I don't know what them do, but I'm getting somebody feel like I'm getting a lady thief all of your money. Cause I'm getting somebody I'll walk around and say how, yeah, pretend to be poor. You're pretending you like you have no money. I'm getting the Leo, the man who did sex traffic you, him thief everything. And then tell the police, or I don't know if the police thief your money. The 10 of Swords is defeat. I'm getting somebody give up. I'm getting it's time for you to get back your money. Somebody will get charged. Now, this could also be, I know that predators like to use the identities of them victims. Maybe somebody they take out a loan. They took out a simple financial loan in your name. Them take out credit card or Scotiabank in your name. I'm getting somebody took out a line of credit in your name. Because that's usually what predators do. They have to fuck up the reputation of the victims when they traffic them. And then after them do that, them can steal them identity. You're not going to know the difference. Me getting money, a lot of money. Me getting one layer thief your money. So me getting the money going come back to you. You're owed it. We have the full, yeah, freedom. Me getting you finally get your money. Or them finally catch the Leo who did thief the whole of your money. Me getting one predator. When they take your money. Me getting see you jump back into the money. You'll get back the money. Cause me getting police doubt you, people doubt you because they made sure to fuck up your reputation and take the whole of your fucking money. And what them say, you love your pimp so much you give your blood clot pimp the money. Me getting is a predator. Because if you don't know about human and sex trafficking, them look for certain victims. Victims who don't have much. Or victims who don't have a bad line of credit. I saw them traffic you. Me getting you get back the money that was stolen from you. The 10 of Pentacles and the Fool card. You're free. Somebody have to let you go. Or me getting them finally behind bars. We have the 7. Somebody thief your money. The 7 of Swords. That's theft. Or me getting them hack your account. Your account is hacked. Your banking account hack. Your phone hack. Your laptop hack. And if you have enough money, they might even pay off the police for take them side. And we have the Knight. Yeah, it's a Leo. Me getting is a Leo, one Leo man. Me don't know if him used to sex work. Maybe him used to sell ass or him dick. And him find you and decide, say, I don't have to use my anus anymore. I can use this victim. Me getting the whole of your money get stolen. Then me thief your money. And we have the Four of Cups. Because I'm getting you're not in communication with this man. Maybe the man a lie and I say, yeah, we talk every day. Yeah, we're good. Me getting either some law enforcement I say, call her now. Call her in front of me. Then I get, my battery low, you know, and nothing go so. Me getting somebody gonna finally be behind bars and you'll get back your money. Me getting one Leo man thief the whole of your fucking money and set it the fuck up. And everybody believed. The Ten of Pentacles is clarified, but is a Leo. You get it now? You get it? It's a Leo. One Leo man thief your money. Is a Leo. Him traffic you and thief the whole of your money. I don't know if you used to gamble. I don't know if you did win money. Him thief the whole of your fucking money. Do you get it now or no? Is a Leo. Is a Leo you don't talk to anymore. Cause me getting ever since him thief the money, you never talk back to him. The Fool card is clarified by the Three of Pentacles. I don't know how much women am I getting. This man have other women a stalk you. So again, I don't know how much money him thief, but I don't know if him money, maybe the money is running out. Maybe somebody has been doing something for years. Cause I'm getting you leave the person, but you have females around you. It's probably whores, sluts, and prostitutes who are consensual to being sex workers. Him have them a stalk you. I'm getting you ain't friends with them. And that's usually how you know you're being trafficked or you're in a one cult. Them keep you isolated. And if you are friends, you're friends with other sex workers. You're friends with women who have sex videos out. You're friends with women who charge for pussy. That's how them try to keep you in the circle. Them try to keep you brainwashed. Them know why you venture out to school. Them know why you venture out in anything that's productive. Them have to keep it in the circle. I'm getting you ain't friends with nobody. The Seven of Swords is clarified by the Judgment. Yeah. I'm getting him, he's gonna get caught. The Knight of Wands is clarified by the Seven of Swords. We got 77. 77. Is somebody born in 1977? We have 77 twice. It's theft. And the Four of Cups is clarified by the Two of Cups. Yeah, because I'm getting ever since him thief your blood clot money, you don't talk back to him. I'm getting you never spoke back to him. You never called him back. Them never saw you with him. You never visited him. You never ever went back. Cause me getting trafficking and theft and you knew. That's why you never go back. That's why you never stay friends with them. They might try to say your ex. I know your ex. Me getting human and sex trafficking, 10 of Swords, 6 of Cups. Me getting them owe you a fucking apology for all the times them accuse you of eating bananas and hiding blood clot money. I want Leo thief it. You fucking get it now? Or did all that training mean fucking nothing? Them probably thief your money and kick you out. And tell people say I cheat on them. Some shit. Duh. That's the most common thing of people who get trafficked. Duh. Apparently your motherfucking force need to study trafficking and cults. Cause y'all don't know fuck. We have Cancer. We have the number 8. We have Evil. Yeah, I'm getting your own apology. Cause somebody thief your money but the whole fucking city blame you. Somebody exploit you and thief the whole of your money and everybody will walk and say you're the liar. You hide your money. Everybody will walk and torment you and you're the blood clot victim. That's why I never felt bad for how I act. I never felt fucking, I never felt apologetic for any fuck that I did. Never. We have Virgo. We have Libra. And we also have Taurus. A lot of people here. We have Virgo, we have Cancer, we have Taurus, and we have Libra. It's a lot of zodiac signs here. Not sure if these are the people who are involved. Because maybe the people, maybe who them wanted to be around. Yeah, 3 of Cups. The women, one is a Virgo, one is a Cancer, one is a Libra. I don't know if one is a Taurus, but the other one out could be a Taurus. We have 10 of Pentacles here. 10 of Pentacles can either be Taurus or Capricorn. It's not Virgo. So I'm going to leave it here, and hopefully whatever was stolen from you, it will be returned to you with an apology. Because you're the victim. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.